Hey guys, a very warm welcome to Arihant Online Academy. And the question here is a very important question from the pumping lemma topic of theory of computation. And here you gonna get a very important concept of pumping length. So let's start the question. For sigma A and B, let us consider the regular language. The regular language is given to us like L equals to X, where X could be A to the power 2 plus 3k, means A equals to 2 to the A to the power X equals to A to the power 2 plus 3k, or X equals to B to the power 10 plus 12k, right? These two are the part of our regular grammar where k is greater than or equals to 0. Which one of the following can be a pumping length, right? For L, for this language. So you all know that the pumping length concept, pumping length concept. The pumping length concept simply says that if there is any n number of states in any automata, then what we will do, we will take at least one n plus one string. So for that n plus one string, there must be either self loop or there must be either cycle. That is must. And with the help of that, if the one string is possible which is not accepted with the help of that automata, means that is non-regular. So basically pumping lemma concept is used here to prove any irregular language as a irregular, means to prove any non-regular language, to prove any non-regular language as a non-regular, we use the concept of pumping lemma. And pumping length uses the concept of pigeonhole principle, which means if you have n states and if you have n plus one length string, so it is if you want to scan that n plus one length string on this n states, means at least one state should be there from which either self loop would be there or cycle would be there, is right? That is why we can scan n plus one length string. So in this, if you will see the what is the minimum length of a string, that is, if you can see b to the power, we have 2 here and we have here b to the power 10. So b to the power 10 is the more. It means n plus 1 length string, that is b to the power 11. It is the minimum pumping length for which at least one self loop or one cycle may be exist, right? So we will consider this because it is bigger. Hence we can say that at least 11th length should at least 11 is the minimum pumping length for the given language. So if you see option A is neglected, B is neglected, C is neglected because they are less than 11. Only option D is here which is greater than 11. So option D is the correct answer for this question, right? So basically pumping length is the length, means for any n states, what is the minimum length string here? Minimum length string is 10, maximum length string is 10. So means b to the power 10 is the maximal power compared to this. That is why we took this. And if you will add 1 plus 1, then it would satisfy the pumping lemma concept, the pigeonhole principle. That is n plus 1 length string must have either self loop or a cycle. So option D is the correct answer, guys. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Else, please do subscribe and comment also. Thank you, guys. Have a very nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.